It's a wonderful event. It gives the students a chance to see many different industries that they may not know exist and help make a decision as to maybe what might interest them moving forward.
A lot of times they haven't thought about all of the things that encompass construction, and so we can awaken their sense of curiosity.
We need workmen in the trades, and to get a kid exposed that might find something that they like, I think that's huge.
We have to replenish folks who are retiring over the next few years, and you know, the way we're going to do that is create an interest in our youth to bring them into our industry.
So I think this is a really good opportunity for our students to talk to maybe future employers, get their name out and try different things to see what they like.
I've been a counselor for over 25 years and I've never had this opportunity like this. I've never taken students to something this big and this hands-on before. So, I mean, this is education right here. Just education outside of the classroom today.
All right, my favorite part of today was I got to do a little bit of work with Bobcat, stuff like that.
My favorite part was the welding simulator.
My favorite part about today was how the fact that I got to learn about all the new technology and how it works. It's very high tech.
So we brought a Butler mock-up of a building. And we had the students, participants, jump in and help us put the roof panels on and get the motions and the task associated with putting the roof together.
It's influenced me because I really like to engineer things, so I'm just waiting for the right thing to hit me.
It has me thinking a lot about what I want to do in the future.
Before, I never really had much hands-on experience with this equipment, and you know, I've been having a lot of fun so far, so yeah, it's definitely raised my opinion on it.
The sooner we can get a hold of them to get interested in the trades, the better off we are. Events like this, you really get to see the kids get hands-on and realize that, you know, construction is a very viable career path for anybody if you have some interest in it.